Okay, it's been 3 days since Hurricane Ian hit. We've started the cleanup. This is the vinyl fencing. Boy, I never want to have vinyl fencing again after seeing what it does. It looks like more helicopters. They're rescuing a bunch of people right now. And this is what happened in our garage. We've actually started cleaning up. We got a pathway. If I can get through here. Yeah, we made a pathway to get out the back door. But yeah, it's not pretty. That was a whole house vacuum system that just got ripped off the wall. And the kitchen is actually pretty well intact. We started getting some ceiling rip off right there, but thankfully it didn't go any further than that. Hopefully you can see this. I'm not getting very good light here. This is my living room ceiling. I think the only thing holding up this next piece is my ceiling fan here. All the furniture got soaking wet, and I'm sure will have to be thrown out. This is our dry bedroom we have. Thank goodness for that. No leaks in there, so we have somewhere to stay. This is our master bedroom. Really smelling bad in here because the water came pouring in buckets right on top of our mattress. And this is our master bathroom. What's left of it. And this is after we spent the last 3 days cleaning up. Here's what's left of our lanai area. This is really what caused so much damage, was the soffits. Just got blown out in many, many different places. Boy, once that water gets up in there, we're stuffing towels and everything we can find up in there right now. All this lanai furniture we had roped together so it wouldn't become projectiles during the hurricane. Well, all 10 chairs, a table, a bar, all ended up in our pool. So we fished that out yesterday. We got a little bit of structural damage on the pool cage, but we are tickled that the whole thing didn't collapse. Somehow it didn't. And my garden, of course, is history. The trees really took a beating. Hoping they come back. Our boat dock is still here, or the pier is anyway. Our boat disappeared, it got blown away, and we found it and brought it home. Brought it home today, this morning. there's more helicopters. God, I hope people are not drowning. There's a bunch of drowning going on up in Sarasota County. We've seen some weird things floating by here. This is where our lift used to be. I don't want to go out on that platform because it looks like it's pulled away. I'm not sure how safe it is. But there was a boat lift and cover here. It just collapsed. And that's how we lost our boat. And the boat's pretty much history. It's so beat up. I know the cost to fix it's going to exceed the value. You can't really see from here, but we're missing a lot of shingles on the roof and the ridge vent. And the same thing with that. The mangroves are all thinned out. They've never looked like that before. Anyway, this is after a partial cleanup, so this is what you get with the Cat 4, almost Cat 5. Hope you're all doing okay.